What's up, you guys? It is Margot and I'm here with a makeup tutorial. Who am I? I am partnering with Sephora Collection for this video, which I'm so excited about. You guys know I'm working with them this year. I'm one of the ambassadors on Troop SC, which is super exciting. We were tasked with the challenge to create a glossy lip look, which I was very excited about because this trend, not only is it in this season, but I've seen it literally like on Tumblr like 7 years ago, and I've always wanted to do it. Never pulled it off, but I feel like I'm really happy with this look. So I'm going to show you how I got here, all the products I used. Yeah, I'm super excited to show you this look. So I hope you enjoy. So I feel like there's a few ways you could do the glossy lip look, but I'm going to go for kind of subtle eyes because it is daytime, so I don't want it to be too intense and scary walking down the street. We are going to begin with the Sephora Collection Matte Perfection Full Coverage Foundation. I am using the shade Golden Honey because, though it doesn't look like it, the rest of my body is tanned and my face is not. We want it to match. Just for the record, it does look kind of crazy when I put it on my face, but I promise it blends in really nicely and it matches the rest of my body. Guys, this stuff is no joke. If you're looking for a full coverage foundation, this is the one that you need to try. See? Pretty good. This comes in 22 shades and it's a really wide range of colors, which I think Sephora Collection is really good at making sure every skin tone is covered, which is important. You guys know I don't have the most professional background in makeup, so we're just gonna kinda go with it and see where it takes us. I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend this out. I'm gonna go wet this in the bathroom. So, fun story for you guys. Last night, I was planning on filming this video last night, but wanted natural lighting, so I just kept my setup, and which is basically a ton of makeup on the floor. And stupid me didn't do anything with them. I just left them on my floor. And I stepped on one really hard and it burst all over my rug. So now I have Sephora Collection foundation on my rug, but you know what? That's life. So it looks kind of yellow on the camera, but promise it looks really, really good once it's all blended in with the other makeup. I wore this foundation to my date night last night, which was so much fun. And it looked really good in pictures. It is coming up like yellowish on camera, but I promise it doesn't look like that in person. So if you are wondering what the X's are for, it's because I'm not 21, but our event was at a bar. So they X off your hand to make sure you don't try to get drinks. We are going to go in, what's next? With bronzer. Okay, I'm also obsessed with the Sephora Collection brushes, so I'm gonna be using those. Truly, those are the only brushes I use. Okay, this is my favorite brush ever. It is the Sephora, ew, like there's toothpaste on it and there's foundation all over my floor. I'm living in a pigsty. Okay, this is the Sephora brush in, it's called 78. It's a domed foundation brush, but I use it for bronzer because look, it has this really nice shape and it's really like thick. Oh, but it makes it really easy to like work it in and blend it, right? Got that contour. You know what the worst thing ever is? My eyebrows. Like literally, I haven't had the chance to get them done when I usually do, and they're just the worst. Like in every video, well, now that I'm mentioning this, you're gonna only be able to see that, but every video my eyebrows always freaking whack. It's really annoying. Actually, since we're talking about eyebrows, let's do that next. I am going to be using the Sephora Collection Bow Brow in shade 2 called Universal Deep. And I really like this because it's this like creamy gel. They were talking about this when I went to the Sephora in Beverly Hills with the makeup artists, but they were saying it's really nice because it not only do you have control of where it goes, but it also kind of like holds your brows together. It's kind of like a pomade in that sense. I don't know, guys. I think makeup is just about enhancing your natural beauty. But I also think I say that because I'm not good at doing like cool makeup, so I couldn't even do other stuff if I tried. Also, what always gets me really riled up is when my lips look really gross because they're always chapped. What chapstick do you guys use? Because God, even Aquaphor isn't doing it for me these days. I don't know, I just have this theory that like chapsticks don't actually do anything, so I'm a little salty about that. I'm going to be using this Sephora Pro palette, which is gorgeous. Look how stunning. I feel like we're going through this makeup look pretty fast, which I'm pretty impressed about. This is my other favorite brush. It's amazing. It is the Sephora Pro blending brush in 27. You might think, Margot, you're not supposed to start your eyeshadow with crease, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Sorry. I'm gonna be taking this color Driftwood. This is also a tip for you guys. If you, oh my God, I have eyeshadow all over my pants now. A tip that they gave me is to use, when you're using these Sephora brushes, to hold where it says Sephora. It's kind of like a little hack, because it gives you the right amount of pressure on your eyes, because I was holding it really close and they were like, you're not doing that correctly. But we're just gonna go in. Honestly, darker than I was going for, but we're just gonna roll with it. If you have green eyes, brown and purple really make them pop. My eyes switch from green to blue all the time. Does that happen for anyone else? Next, we're going to be doing this thing that I've enjoyed doing, which is taking this brush, which is Small Shadow in 15, and kind of lining my eyes with it. And I've really liked doing that with a shimmery color because it makes your eyes pop. Next, we are going to take the Sephora Collection Illuminate palette. Okay, I'm gonna be taking this like light golden shade and I'm just dusting that on top. I decided I want to go for a really pink, like bubblegummy fun lip, because if we're doing a glossy lip, I feel like we just have to go all out with that like vibe, you feel? So I have 3 different products that I'm going to briefly talk about. First, this is the star of the show. It is brand new. This is the Rouge Gel Sheer Lip Crayon, and I actually love this. I wore this out the other night because it gives you a really nice finish. Like, you can literally do a glossy lip just with this. This is available in 10 different shades, but the shade I'm going to be using today is K Bella number 4. This was my favorite product when I got to try everything out in LA. These are the Melting Lip Clicks. This is a lipstick oil hybrid that you can put onto your lips. You just click this up. Very satisfying, by the way, doing that. This is actually really good because it nourishes your lips when you're wearing it, so it's not like you have to put, I didn't even have to put chapstick on, but I didn't want them to look gross for you guys. But this moisturizes your lips as you wear it, so multitasking lip product. We love that. And then lastly, we are using the Sephora Collection Colorful Gloss Balm. This comes in 24 shades. It's actually crazy. These kind of remind me of like those honey sticks, you know? You know what I'm talking about? This is a really, really, really high gloss shine. And my favorite part about it is that it is not sticky. So like when your hair goes like that, your hair isn't gonna stay like that for 10 hours. This is actually really nice. I guess I'll use all 3 because why not? This whole makeup look is all about the lips. I'm going to start with the Melting Lip Click in Cotton Candy. Look how glossy that is by itself. Now we go to round 2. We're really doing it up, ladies. This is the Rouge Gel Sheer Lip Crayon, and again, I'm using it in shade 4, K Bella. And we're just gonna pot that on top to add some extra color. And then of course, this wouldn't be a glossy lip tutorial without ending with our Colorful Gloss Balm. And this is in shade 17, Moon and Back. Oh my God. Whoa. I am feeling this. Oh my God, I'm really stupid. I forgot to put on mascara. Normally wouldn't end with mascara, but we're gonna do that. I am using the Better Than Sex mascara. By the way, all of these products you can pick up at Sephora, and I will also link them down below. This is a look. I feel like Barbie with these lips. I'm gonna have to take some serious selfies after this. I feel like the red doesn't really go with the lips now, so I'm gonna change the red, change out of my toothpaste sweater, and film this intro for you guys because I'm so excited to upload this makeup tutorial. It actually turned out so well for someone who can't do makeup. I'm very happy. High five. Thank you again to Sephora for partnering with me on this video. I'm so honored to be working with you guys this entire year with such an incredible team of girls. If you want to purchase or check out any of the products that I use, they will all be linked down below. Love you guys so much. Okay, someone in a motorcycle just keeps doing laps outside of my apartment. It's honestly a little rude. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.